Freight forwarding has long been a paperwork-heavy business filled with emails, phone calls, and manual coordination. But in recent years, the industry has undergone a quiet revolution, one driven by digital technology. In this video, we're diving deep into digital freight forwarding, what it is, how it's transforming global logistics, and what it means for shippers, carriers, and supply chains around the world. If you're in logistics, this is the future, and it's already here. Traditional freight forwarding relies on physical documents, spreadsheets, and siloed communication. But digital freight forwarding automates, connects, and simplifies the entire process. Digital platforms allow users to quote, book, track, and manage shipments, all online. They integrate with carriers, customs, clients, and warehouses in real time, and they provide visibility that was once nearly impossible in global freight. Imagine managing a shipment from Shanghai to Rotterdam entirely from your laptop. From booking space on a vessel to tracking customs clearance to confirming delivery. That's the power of digital forwarding. What sets digital forwarders apart? Here are the core features. Instant quoting and booking. Shippers can get real-time rates from multiple carriers, compare options, and book with a click. Real-time tracking. GPS, APIs, and IoT sensors provide shipment visibility across the entire journey. Digital document management. Upload, store, and share commercial invoices, BLs, and customs forms. No more email chains. Automated workflows. Tasks like document validation, customs submission, and invoicing can be automated. Analytics and reporting dashboards provide insights on delivery times, carrier performance, emissions, and costs. These features cut down delays, reduce human error, and make logistics teams far more productive. Several companies have emerged as leaders in the shift toward digital freight forwarding, each offering their own take on what modern logistics should look like. Among the most recognized is Flexport, which has set the standard by combining full-service freight management with a sleek digital interface and powerful analytics tools. Another innovator is Freightos, a platform that streamlines the connection between freight buyers and sellers by enabling instant rate comparison and online booking. Maersk has entered the digital arena with Twill, offering its global shipping services through a simplified, customer-friendly platform. Meanwhile, Shippa Freight has positioned itself as an ideal solution for small businesses looking to manage international freight shipments entirely online. Traditional freight forwarding giants haven't been left behind. Companies like DHL, DB Schenker, and Quain plus Nagel are investing heavily in their own digital transformation. Building out customer portals, integrating EDI and API systems, and launching mobile apps to remain agile and competitive in a tech-driven logistics landscape. The advantages of digital freight forwarding extend far beyond just speed. Perhaps the most immediate benefit is transparency, the ability for shippers and clients to know exactly where their goods are at any given moment, and when they'll arrive. This real-time visibility builds trust and allows for better planning throughout the supply chain. Efficiency also improves dramatically. Automation streamlines what used to be time-consuming back-and-forth communication, eliminates redundant data entry, and reduces delays caused by missing or incorrect paperwork. These systems also bring greater accuracy to every shipment, minimizing costly errors that can lead to customs issues or penalties. As businesses grow, digital tools make it easier to scale operations without proportionally increasing overhead. Analytics provide deep insights into carrier performance, shipping times, and cost efficiency, helping logistics teams make smarter, data-driven decisions. And for customers, the experience becomes more modern and intuitive, with automated updates, notifications, and precise ETAs that mirror the convenience of e-commerce tracking. Altogether, digital forwarding gives companies a more consistent, reliable, and future-ready way to manage global shipments. Still, the road to fully digital freight forwarding isn't without its challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is technology adoption. Many shippers and partners around the world still rely on manual systems and traditional communication methods, which can slow down integration and automation efforts. The complexity of global trade itself also adds friction. Not every customs agency or transportation provider supports end-to-end digital processing, especially in emerging markets where infrastructure and systems vary greatly. On top of that, the increased reliance on online platforms brings heightened cybersecurity risks, making data protection, encryption, and threat monitoring more important than ever. And while digital tools promise simplicity, there's still a learning curve. Some clients, particularly those used to email threads and phone calls, may be hesitant to switch to a new interface. Because of these realities, many freight forwarders take a hybrid approach, blending powerful digital platforms with experienced human support. It's this combination of tech and trust that makes the transition smoother and the service stronger. What's driving the digital transformation in freight forwarding? At its core, it's technology. Not just digitizing old processes, but fundamentally changing how logistics operates. Artificial intelligence now plays a vital role in predicting transit delays, optimizing delivery routes, and even assisting in generating complex customs documentation. APIs, or application programming interfaces, act as the connective tissue of the modern supply chain, enabling seamless communication between forwarders, carriers, clients, and customs systems, all in real time. Meanwhile, robotic process automation has taken over many of the industry's most repetitive tasks, from verifying documents to handling invoices and entering data accurately. Together, these innovations are shifting freight forwarding from a reactive operation into a proactive, intelligent system, one where potential issues are identified early and resolved before they ever cause disruption. Looking ahead, the future of digital freight forwarding is shaping up to be even smarter and more integrated than ever before. Artificial intelligence is enabling predictive logistics, helping shippers anticipate congestion, weather disruptions, and cost fluctuations before they happen. At the same time, digital platforms are supporting carbon emissions tracking, empowering forwarders to help clients meet their sustainability targets with accurate, real-time data. Blockchain is also beginning to play a role, offering tamper-proof records and improved traceability throughout the supply chain. And perhaps most significantly, the push toward end-to-end visibility is accelerating. The goal is clear: a single digital platform that seamlessly manages every step of a shipment, whether by sea, air, rail, or road, all in one place. Digital freight forwarding is no longer just a tool for efficiency. It's becoming a strategic advantage for forwarders and a critical asset for any company operating in global trade. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to logisticsABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the logisticsABC community, and see you in the next video.